Okay, we now know how to install Next.js in our local machine. We know how to navigate between routes and pages. We know how to use link component, which is for navigating between routes and pages. But how can we deploy and publish our app into the internet over the internet? How can we achieve that? We can deploy our app on so many platforms like AWS. It's a choice, but I rather use a tool called Vercel. Vercel is a platform that helps you create and deploy your Node.js or Next.js application, and it supports so many other languages. Let's log into Vercel now. Now that I have logged into my account on Vercel, we can actually deploy our app using here add new project, using this button. In order to this project, we have to publish our Git repo first. Okay, we gotta head back to my project folder and let's see if we already have a git command. Yeah, I've already installed the git. So using git init will initialize a git in your project, in your current working directory. And using by going to the GitHub, let's head over to GitHub. As you can see, I already logged in to GitHub. By clicking on new repository, we can create a new repository, Next.js starters. I don't need description for that. I want to create a public repository. I don't want to add anything. I just want to create it. Right now, it created repository for me. I can use this from now on command, git init, git add everything. As you can see, I have a lot of files right here. You know what? Let's delete this and start all over again. Git remote v. As you can see, it's not a repository yet, so we have to git init for initializing our Git repository. We can add everything to it, so every file is now added to the stage. I'm going over a GitHub in another series. Git commit, first commit, and I wanna add remote origin, git remote add origin, this URL that has given me, git add origin remote. What am I missing? I'm git remote add origin, git remote add origin. Yeah. So just to confirm that I've passed in correctly, we can use -v for verbose and we can push. And as you can see here, when we push, GH is another GitHub command line tool that I've installed on my computer. It's an optional, but as you can see, I got my files on the GitHub repo here. So when I modify any of these changes, for example, README file, let's head over to README and change something. Hooray, I'm online. Just wanna commit changes, modify README file. And when I push these changes and I hit refresh, Hooray, I'm online. The repository gets updated. So, in order to deploy our app, we have to use this GitHub, create a repository, push our codes into this repository, and hit here NextJS starters. Import it. My project NextJS starters for YouTube, and click on deploy. We'll just take a minute. And there you go. Congratulations! We have deployed our app. And let's head over here, and it gives us a full URL and a domain that we can see our app on it. As you can see here, contact me, homepage, about page. These are the effects and changes we have made to our application. And it's a valid global URL that you can use. We'll go over Vercel tools in another video. I want to talk about its environment, logs, functions, source, open graphs, and whatever it's here. It's going to take a while to understand all of this. We have not used any of this yet, so catch you later.